In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best Booking.com promo codes of this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, then go to google.com and in the search box enter Booking.com promo code. It brings you to that page where you can see a lot of different websites that offers a promo code. You can enter on any of them, and here you can check out the promo codes. As you can see, I got 25 promo codes here. I can scroll down to see them all, but as usual the best offers are on the first positions. So now at the first place I got $25 off promo code at Booking.com. I can hit there at more details to see some additional information, and now I can tap at show coupon to see the promo code. I can hit on that icon to copy it to my clipboard, and also I can hit at get coupon to move to Booking.com. There you can book a hotel, and once you are ready to pay money, just don't forget to use your promo code and double check that this promo code is applied. If for some reason the promo code is not working, you can go back on that site or you can use another site and try to use the other promo codes. As you can see, there are a lot of them. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.